It's on you. You're the intro king.
Oh, okay. Hello and welcome back to the channel. And join us today, and we'll be doing some more work on Agatha. Over to Rick.
Yeah, there's not a great deal to say. It's going to be hopefully putting all the bits back on that we took off in the last video, and I've got a load of new clamps and new fan belt, bits and bobs like that. Hopefully, fingers crossed, by the end of this video, or maybe part 2 of this video if it's too long, we will have the old girl running. So let's see how we get on.
Yeah, let's crack on.
Oh, if you want some goggles, there's some goggles in there, look, in that thing.
Oh yeah, so there is.
All right, okay. Anyway, you've heard me offer. We're going to slit this.
One there and one the other side.
So we can clamp it.
Yeah. Might actually do 4 and do one that side as well. I don't know.
Be adventurous.
Oh, okay.
Hey?
Hey?
Happy?
I'm happy.
He's happy. New clamps and stuff, see?
Yeah, I'm happy. I've got 6 brothers.
Oh, yeah.
Stumpy, Wonky.
Yeah.
Grumpy.
And we're going to use some of Lee's special paste.
Here we go. Is it on?
It's on. Hopefully they can hear us because we've got the heater on.
Yeah.
Right there.
Fucking freezing. Oh no.
Should just say pasting. I'm going under. Oh. Right. Where are you?
He has light.
I don't know which side you want it, is that right?
This side. That's it, up there.
Got it?
Support your end where it should be going, see if you just hold it. Kind of.
Somewhere there.
Somewhere there, yeah. I'm going to want on the box, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, no, stay there. Stay. Don't move. Don't move a muscle. Don't move a muscle. Well, we do love a nice Fisher Price toolkit.
Is there heat coming out of that?
I can't tell at the minute, mate.
I can't either on the floor, it's fucking freezing.
You're okay there?
Yeah. Just tell them when I can let go.
Don't let go yet. In fact, I'd like a socket. That'd be better. Can't see a bloody thing.
I have got an electric eye.
That's alright. No, it's not that. It's just I can't see where I need to put my thing.
Put some air around it.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Obviously don't go too tight because you've got to get that clamp on to the,
Yeah.
to the what's it.
To the what's it?
You've got a gearbox mount wherever it goes.
Yeah.
Just need to go tight enough that I can let go basically.
Okay. Should be enough, I think, yeah?
It's not fell off, so.
Yeah, it's not fell off. Yeah, there's a bit of heat coming
Yeah,
out.
I've got to work out how to turn the temperature up now. Right, that's on. Full chat once it gets going.
Okay.
We set it for 104 degrees Fahrenheit. It probably won't get that warm in here.
No.
No, I don't know what that is in English. What's Fahrenheit in? What do we don't use Fahrenheit, do we?
No, we use Celsius.
Yeah, so but for the Americans out there, we've set it for that. Right. Can I go under and put that clamp on now?
Yes.
If I can. Of course, I put axle stands under it for safety this week.
Yeah.
Which makes access to where I want to be a pain in the fucking arse. I might have to come from the front yet. Yeah. Okay, I should be able to get my hand down there. Maybe. And then once I've got my hand down and put it on, I might have to just come from the front.
Yeah.
I'll have to come. Unless you're doing it, I'm going to have to come where you are. Because,
Go on then, jump into it.
see, I do offer people on the internet who say, why does Lee do everything? I go, shall I do this? He goes, no, I'll do it.
It's a case of get out the frickin' way. She put put some washers on?
I've got some washers there, yeah.
Awesome.
How about that? And I've cleaned the threads and everything.
Awesome. You are good.
I know. I was out in the garage at 8 o'clock, everybody. Oh, shall I tell you? Someone in the comments, you can't get under there, I can't get under there. Somebody in the comments did say, get your bulkhead done. There was a big rust patch, wasn't there, when we did the servo, and I never did it. So I have done the bulkhead this morning, all right. I've not done anything other than do the rust, but I've done it, okay? So for whoever it was in the comments, I've done the bulkhead for you. At 8 o'clock this morning, so that the paint was dry. How did you fit under there? With your Christmas belly. There is a bracket on the gearbox that the downpipe fastens to, and as we said last week, there's no flexi pipe on these, it's just...
There probably was originally.
Yeah, well, there isn't on this then, we'll say. This is a mismatch of bits, in case you knew. Yeah, we'll just see how we go. But I mean, whatever we do from now on, that can be tightened, can't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I see what you mean about working blind, don't you?
Yeah. Where are you? Let's have a look.
I'm on. No, I'm on now.
Yeah, you're on that.
Let's swap hands.
You got it?
Yeah, got it. I mean, the threads are through the whole of the nut anyway, so...
Yeah.
Do you want me to just do them a bit more? Or
Yeah, do a bit more, because I can just move it a little bit.
Oh, okay.
See if I can move it, it will blow.
Good, yeah. Ah, yes, good.
Yeah.
Tight.
There you go. Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
That doesn't move now.
It's nice.
Nice.
Tight. For the Brooklyn Nine-Nine fans.
So, Ricky's doing some more work.
Hey!
Look at that. That needs to come round the other way, dude.
Upside down?
Yeah.
Just checking you were paying attention.
I'm paying attention.
Right.
So, Ricky's now going to put that on there.
Look at that. Right.
Might have to bring it down a bit for it to go in.
Yeah, we're good. We're on it.
Looks a bit odd.
You just want to clamp that on there for now.
Yeah.
Right, like you say, it's going to have to be adjusted because it is
better.
going to knock on the body there, look.
Yeah. That's better.
So it's going to have to go like that, but then we're very close to that displacer, but when it's mounted we can bring it across, I guess.
Yes.
We'll see. But we've had a thought, and everybody on the internet said that they do come out at a jaunty angle. No Allegro comes out at the back. So we're going to have a fiddle.
See what we can make.
Yeah, I still think we're going to put the pea shooter on, as we're calling it, the pea shooter. But
The fake cherry bomb.
we might be able to cut that and have that as the tailpipe. I don't know yet. If not, Lee thinks we can fix this, but that would mean welding, and we're not welding today. But it's not the end of the world, because when we are welding, this can just go on.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we're having a play, really. So, let's just stick on the cherry bomb and let's have a look at if that... See, I think, you know...
Oh, okay, yeah, I see what you're doing, yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah. Chop that off,
If we chop that there, it will look like it should come out there.
Okay.
By using that as a tailpipe.
Yeah. Okay.
That will sleeve into there. I think that might work.
Okay, I see what you mean, yeah. At the end of the day, that's just a silencer anyway, so, yeah.
Yeah? So it will... We weren't going to cut that because if we cut it, we're even closer to the displacer.
Yeah.
With the cherry bomb. Agreed?
Yeah.
So I think we've got to take that off, slice that, and then we'll have to clamp it and see if we're knocking on the floor before we actually cut anything with this and
yeah,
ruin this, won't we?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You happy with that?
I'm happy with that.
Yeah. Hang on. We've got to put the safety glasses on. People are telling us off on the internet.
Oh, I don't care.
It was better with safety glasses, to be fair. Lee's rubbing his shaft now. Ready to get some paste on it. The paste's dripping on my floor.
Oh shit, yeah. Sorry.
It's alright.
Goes everywhere.
Not as much now you're older though.
It takes a bit of force. We're knocking somewhere.
Well, it's obviously.
That's on the body, is it?
Yeah, it's up here basically.
Ah, right.
But because there's no way to the silencer to pull it down a bit, I think.
Yeah.
Once we can do the back end, we'll have to nip it and twist it, but the silencer has to go more upright.
Yeah, but now I'm thinking where you want to put your cherry bomb and shit.
Yeah.
Is that going to harm your displacer? So
Well,
if
I mean, at the minute, obviously, once it's on, we can guide it. I'm just trying to show everybody it's hitting the displacer there, but once it's on, we can pull it out a bit. But of course, then you're hitting your body down there, aren't you?
Yeah.
When we did the dry fit on this, we obviously, once you tighten up, it starts pulling angles differently, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Bear with, caller. Right, we've made a minor adjustment by basically brute force and ignorance of pulling the downpipe down a fraction. We'll see how we go in a minute. Right, so just showing the viewer what we think we're going to do is the cherry bomb, as we're calling it, the cherry bomb now. And then if we use this section, it will sort of come out with a bit of cutting of this and a bit of cutting of that. It will sort of come out pointing the correct way ish. Okay, so last week when we cut the original brackets off, we're just going to tidy them up a bit with a flappy wheel.
Yeah.
Right, we are shit or bust with this now. Once we've cut it, we can't use this, so we'll cut it as long as we can and then probably cut it again.
Yeah. Someone's going to comment now, why didn't you do that before?
Yeah, to be honest, I did say put it in the vice earlier. Tell everybody I did.
Never. Don't even get offered one.
Yeah. I bought Jeremy Dodgers and he don't like them. He don't eat biscuits.
Right, I'm having one then.
Go on then, do
I'm
it.
having one.
That's a waste.
Putting a good dollop of shit on there, mate. Marvellous.
Ah. So this is sort of the big reveal. It's not going to do that in a minute, obviously. Once we've adjusted, but you can see what we've got is it's now coming out where it roughly should. So that's the big reveal. This is what we've ended up doing at the end. As you can see, it's supposed to come out at the end there. We are fractionally off where the hanger's going to go, but we're going to, when we get the welder out to start welding, I'll get a bit of threaded bar and we'll just tack it on there like a stay, and that'll hold it. And other than seeing the curve there,
other than looking at it completely shit, it don't look too
I don't think that looks shit. I mean, I was okay with it coming out the back till someone said no.
It weren't me.
No, it was someone on the internet. And so doing that little curve, it's coming out okay. Little chrome embellisher on the end there.
Oh, look posh, wasn't it?
Look alright, that. Right, so the front end rebuild is starting now. I tell you what.
What? Tell me what?
Say ta-ra for the end of this video. Come back for part 2.
Oh, come back for part 2 and we'll see you then. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Jerry.